Kapampangan mi sakwak, kinglegwan naning alaya, gabunding pantas at marangal, sibul ning lubud karinaning tepangan, batis ning katalaruan, at panamdam makabalen, ligaya mi inye payapa, king malugod mong kandungan. Kapampangan sa lening legwan, kapampangan sandalaning katimawan, kilubing pusumi, atin kang dambana, luit ka, palsintan ming kapampangan. Luit ka, palsintan ming kapampangan. Kapampangan sa lening legwan, kapampangan sandalaning katimawan, kiluging pusumi, atin kang dambana. Luit ka, palsintan ming kapampangan. Luit ka, palsintan ming kapampangan.
Keni king malagong balen, tamo keni kumibay, king manyaman na bie, keni kumuikit, saksi king lubog dangal, tapang nagkabiyas nan, pag maragul king matena ka na dayon kapampangan.
Yening maragul na ko, akakikula ding niyaya liwang tao, pag mulalande ing malagong probinsya tabo. Abe-abe palang nagkatan, the whole world in our own kababayan.
Welcome to Pampanga, Malaus, Copu. Pampanga, yeah, Pampanga, yeah.
Get ready for the place you go, you're gonna have a blast, I know.
Pampanga, yeah, Pampanga, yeah.
The world has fabulous things, Pampanga Philippines. The seas to leave, you won't wanna leave, 'cause here in Pampanga.
Everybody say yeah, 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 yeah.
Tukita
Itbaming at Chubanwa. Pasalamat kami king kaya kang presensya at pamanantabi ang ngening milabas sa yaldong iti. Dimot yaman na maragul, kapmo kaming kapasalamatan king tinggap ming grasya. Gino, susuko milaking kaya kang maya nagamat ring ega-naga ng kasakitang mabayat. Dinan mo kaming kapayapan, uling balo ming masanding yung plano mo para kaya kami. Salamat Gino king maya payaldong iti. Ang poking pangako mong masanting ang kinabukasan. Iting kaya kaming pangadi, hinglagyo ng Jesus. Amen.
Ilagay natin ang kanang kamay sa kaliwang dibdib at buong puso nating awitin ang pambansang awit.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
This is Radio World Broadcasting Corporation, DWRW CLTV Digital Channel 36, a commercial broadcast station with 2,500 watts transmitting power, authorized under station license number BSD-0485-2023, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until May 31, 2024. The CLTV 36 studios, offices, and transmitter are located at the Corporate Guarantee Building, Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. CLTV 36 Broadcast Engineering is headed by Engineer Harold Kim Magaro with ECE number 16782. The CLTV 36 transmitter is maintained and operated by an electronics technician and engineer duly licensed by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. CLTV 36 is a proud member of the Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. All programs have been approved for broadcast by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. CLTV 36 can also be seen in 38 cable TV stations in Central Luzon, Pampanga, Bulacan, Bataan, Tarlac, Nueva Ecija, CLTV 36 may also be watched nationwide through Signal Channel 115 and worldwide via live streaming at www.cltv36.tv. Programs telecast on this station may not be used for any purpose except exhibition at the time of their broadcast on receivers in places where no admission, cover, or mechanical operating charges are made. This is CLTV 36, now signing off.